All right, what's up, everybody? Let's do an update right now. First, a little announcement. Today, I will be interviewed at 3 p.m. New York time by, I believe it's called NKH TV. That is a Japanese television network, and you can watch that online. That's going to be at 3 p.m. New York time. They want to talk to me on camera about the U.S. economy, about Trump, about economic policy. Is the growth that we are seeing now, is that going to be sustained? Are we going to, go into recession? All that stuff. So we're going to talk about that at 3 o'clock. If you want to check it out, you can watch that online. Number one. Number two, let's talk about the markets. First of all, earlier today, Bank of Japan kept their target interest rate as is. That was expected at negative 0.1%. We're still talking about negative rates here, everybody. And they still don't get it. They still don't get it. All these central bankers, negative rates. That is functionally like a tax, and it will impede the economy. It is a net removal of income, just like a tax is, but they don't get it. They think somehow that is stimulus. It is not. All right, it is not stimulus. As far as the fiscal flows in the by the way, let me just mention this too. We had a Canadian third quarter GDP, which put up a negative print, and I said that we were going to see the Canada's economic performance deteriorate. Sorry about that. Based on the very sharp appreciation in the Canadian dollar, which was really unjustified. It was the zombies going back since September. With that, before that actually, but with the rate hikes by the Bank of Canada, and then that surprise rate hike on September 9th that really knocked it down. By the way, that lasted one day, that big rally off of that rate hike in the Canadian dollar, and we were short the Canadian dollar. Now, all of my people, all of my subscribers who paid with time, who stayed in that position, they're not just getting out now, breaking even. They're all making profits, okay? Now, most of you choose to lose. I've always said this, that losing is a choice. We do not lose. We pay with time. A lot of you don't understand that. You don't want to understand that. You want to lose. It is some sort of a deep subconscious psychological desire, and you rationalize the losing as being prudent. Okay, it's not. It is not. I'm sorry. We don't lose. Number one. Now, what else? Oh yeah, I was going to talk about fiscal flows in the United States are just going gangbusters. Okay, we are already. Remember, last year we came in just 26 billion below the all-time record high spending year of 2009. All right. We are already 16 billion above last year. And the new budget, which the Senate passed, that has not been implemented yet. That is going to significantly increase spending. And if we get a tax cut, which is still in the works here, a tax cut functionally is like an increase in spending. So this thing is going to boom. It's going to go crazy. Now, you are seeing that manifest in the stock market now, and there's no reason to expect that to stop anytime soon. But that will bleed out into other markets, notably hard assets. Right now, nobody wants to touch hard assets, maybe with the exception of oil, and I'll talk about oil in a second. But gold languishing, these are all zombie-affected markets right now. The zombies see the strong economic performance here in the state. They're selling gold. They fear rate hikes. They're selling gold. Despite the fact that after 4 rate hikes, gold's up like 30%. They see the strong dollar, which, by the way, is temporary. let me just go on record to say that this dollar rally that we are seeing, that is temporary. That is going to end. This is a counter trend rally in a major, major long-term bear market for the dollar. So they see this strong dollar, they are selling gold. All of this is zombie behavior, okay? We make our money by taking it away from the zombies. I mean, we basically don't even have to take it away. They put it down there on the floor, and we just go pick it up. We just go pick it up. Just requires a little patience, a little mental toughness, and we wait, and we go there, and we pick it up when the time is right. So you have all that stuff going on. We bought, by the way, yesterday, in my MMT Trader report, we took a profit on Pulte Group. That's a home builder, which we bought at 17 and we sold out at 30. So we made a 76% return on that. All right. We still have DR Horton, which is another home builder. We still have Lennar, all right, which are doing well. But I took profits on Pulte Group. We also bought into two stocks. I'll name it. Number one, General Motors, which Goldman Sachs issued a downgrade. In fact, they issued an outright sell. I always fade Goldman Sachs. Okay, bought General Motors. And CVS, that was another one. All right, we're up on both of those. And today I just sent out another recommendation. If you want that, then go sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. And right there on the front page, it says, get the 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. And while you're there, you can also get the 30-day free trial of Zombie Trading. Zombie Trading is my Forex signal service. We front run the zombies and get out before they die. By the way, Zombie Trading, it does use stop losses for those of you who like stop losses, but we still employ an MMT understanding and mental game and all that stuff, right? So you have all that, and of course there's my Forex courses and understanding the daily treasury statement and value stock, MMT value stock selection course, and you can get all three bundled together for $295 for all three. A lot in there, a lot of information in there. What else? So we have a Fed meeting starting today, ending tomorrow, where I don't expect, there's like a pretty much a 0% chance that we are going to see a rate hike, because Janet Yellen, she just follows whatever the market tells her to do. She doesn't understand that she is the monopolist. The Fed is the monopolist. It should be the other way around. What Yellen does would be the same as if John D. Rockefeller, the founder and creator of the great monopoly Standard Oil, would go around asking all his little tiny competitors, who he crushed, by the way, out of existence, hey, what price do you think I should sell my oil at? It's stupid. It's a joke. It's idiotic. All right? So nothing's going to happen there. We're going to get a rate hike in December. That's for sure. And what else? Bank of England on Thursday. That could be the biggie. If you want to know what's going to happen there, you got to sign up for my report, MMT Trader. It will affect the British pound, all right, if you want to know. And finally, on Friday, the jobs report for October. I will put out my forecast on that on Thursday. If you want to get that, go sign up for MMT Trader. All right, everybody. That's it for now. See you guys later. Bye-bye.